So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add multiple videos inside of a video here on VN Video Editor. So once you have the editor opened up where it says tap to add sticker/PIP, go ahead and select that with the plus icon and then go to the bottom left to where it says photos. Once you're here, you can either select a video that you've added, or in this case, I'm just going to go to stocks right here and use some of these videos right here. So if I wanted to add this video right here, I can go ahead and add this video, put it where I want. If you want to go ahead and add another video like this, you can go to photos right here, stocks, select another video. So if I wanted to add this video right here, you can go ahead and do what you got to do. As well as select where you want it to go. So if I wanted to add this one in the bottom right corner and I were to play the video just like this, as you can tell, the videos that I've added are now inside of the original video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add multiple videos in a video here on a VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.